Ladies and gentlemen, from the Emmy-nominated series Silicon Valley, Kumail Nanjiani and Martin Starr.
Hi.
Hello.
Don't worry, we don't know why we're here either.
Yeah.
We're actually here to talk about the study of optogenetics.
And speaking of optogenetics, here's a seriously impressive look at our next laureate, Ed Boyden.
In a brain circuit, you have neurons of many different kinds. And so if you really want to understand how a brain circuit computes, ideally, you would be able to turn on or off specific sets of cells and see how they influence their neighbors. With optogenetics, we wanted to get a gene that we could just borrow from one organism and plop it into a neuron and make it light activatable. So Carl and I started experimenting. Carl put the genes into neurons. I would then activate them with light. And we found that one of these molecules, which comes from algae, if you put it into neurons, you could activate those neural potentials with light. In many psychiatric conditions, such as schizophrenia, autism, bipolar disorder, the changes in the brain are so subtle. With optogenetics, we can pinpoint exact cell types and exact pathways in the brain that, if they could be the sources of new drug targets, if they could be the sources of electrical stimulation targets, could potentially help a large number of patients. Perhaps we could then start to answer questions like, who am I, and what is my identity, and what should I do, and why am I here?
For the development and implementation of optogenetics, the programming of neurons so that their electrical activity can be controlled by light,
the Breakthrough Prize is awarded to Ed Boyden.
One of the big problems, of course, for the world is there's so much wrong with it. It's so tempting to solve these daunting problems. In medicine, we don't know the laws of biology yet. And so that's my goal. That's what inspires me, is to go and build tools that reveal how living things work. Thank you.